Welcome to Llama Lounge 13. If you're working in AI in corporate and you have the yellow badge, raise your hand and make some noise. So these are your partners, founders. You want to partner with them. Each of their titles, they're working in machine learning, they're running product with AI, or we have the C-suite as well. Like we have the ecosystem here. Now, the next group, if you are wearing black, you're mysterious, make some noise. We don't know what you do. Not quite. I know some people are co-founders or looking for co-founders. There's influencers as well. Now, if you have the green badge, and we try to force you to do it because you like to hide, because you're an investor, a VC or corporate ventures, raise your hand and make some noise. Drinks on them tonight, right? All right, the most important group. Llama Lounge is about the startup ecosystem. There's 100 AI events in San Francisco every month. If you're an AI founder, make some noise, raise your hand. Let's see those videos. One more time, founders, make some noise. We are here to support you. The corporate partners, the investors, we want to be here for you. All right, so here's the agenda tonight. I want to do a couple of thanks to everybody who's here. And then we're going to have Capgemini, our host, give some introductions. Then we're going to have the 10 AI demo companies come up and give their speed pitches. They got 30 seconds to deliver, and you guys are going to cheer for each of them. And I also want to recognize we've got a couple of influencers here in the space. We got Robert Scoble, who's probably live streaming. And we got a top podcaster, Chris Saad, the startup podcaster right here. Raise your hand, Chris. So founders, you want to be on his show. That should be your goal. And you want to be on Robert's show as well. They each get views and listens. All right, and then I'm going to take you on a tour through our brand new research on the AI agent ecosystem map. And then we will break, and then Chris and I will be up here to talk about the agent space. I think everybody's trying to shift into that space. We'll talk to you. We'll tell you about the dangers, where to go. And some of the investors will come up and want to talk to you, so we'll have a discussion afterwards. All right, so we're going to give a round of applause and give the floor to Josh, my friend for many years. We actually worked together when he was at Nestle. And I was running my second company. So Josh is our host. Please, Josh, we want to thank you so much for hosting. This is a beautiful space.
All right. Thanks. Okay, everyone. I'm about to put a slide up, but I'd like you to answer this question honestly. Raise your hand if you know Capgemini. Okay. All right. Okay, so welcome to Mission Rock. This is a new place for us, and it's a new way to introduce Capgemini to the world. We have a wide range of capabilities. This place is an idea factory. We've got Synapse, hardware engineering. We've got Frog, the most talented designers in the world. We've got the Applied Innovation Exchange, which is about exchanging ideas, building relationships with the ecosystem. If you're an investor, if you're a startup, if you're a large corporate, our goal is to connect you and be an active member of the ecosystem. And we're all part of Capgemini. So thank you. Thank you for coming. Welcome to our new space, and have a great night. Two other things to point out. When I say it's an idea factory, you're in this room. There's a lot of you. The part of the building you've seen is only a third of it. There's a whole other third, which is full of designers and engineers. And another third is an advanced prototyping laboratory. If you have an idea, we can build it here, truly. So thank you for coming, and have a nice night. And now's the time to move on to the next part.
All right, we want to invite the founders, the 10 founders to come up, and they're going to pitch. They've been working hard. They've been practicing, putting their lives into all of this. So let's get the 10 up here in a row. Who's up first? Let's do a mic check on the second mic. Test, 1, 2. Okay, here we go. All right, come on up. So they each have 30 seconds to deliver their pitch, and then they'll be back at their stations once we're through this. You better give them a big applause. They're putting their heart, their families, their career on the line. Show them the love that they deserve. Props is up. Give it to us.
Hey, my name is Peter. I'm the founder of Props. We're an experimentation platform for Gen AI teams. We help A/B test different models, prompts, and providers, and connect it to the business metrics that matter to companies so that AI teams can ship safer and faster. Come see me, I'm just outside the door.
I'm Melinda with Conversa. We identify the top 1% of job applicants instantly to give you a competitive edge. In today's market, the best person for your company just applied, and they applied to your competitors' jobs. But with Conversa, you call them first, you hire faster, you build faster. There is no talent engine as accurate as ours. Sendbird just uploaded their dream resume into the applicant pool. It was ranked number 2 of 423 in seconds. We can't wait to show you how we do this and convince you to stop spending millions on outbound sourcing. Thank you.
Companies in the US spend 15 billion on job advertising, and only 5% of people that start a job ad actually end up completing it. The biggest reason for this is redirection from the job platform to the company site. Sonic Jobs has built B2B AI agents that connect companies and their jobs with the job platforms. We partner with all of the large job platforms, including Indeed, ZipRecruiter, Monster, etc. And we work with large clients like CVS, Walmart, Walgreens, etc. In the last 12 months, we've gone from 5K revenue a month to 480K revenue a month. That's our revenue growth chart. Please come check it out.
Hi everyone, I'm Pritish, founder of TruePeer. We have created a 100x Loom experience. You don't have to deal with a simple screen recording, which is, you have to do a lot of re-recordings and perfect it. Our AI platform converts it into a professional studio quality video, literally in seconds, in 100 of languages and formats. And you also get step-by-step document guides, literally in seconds. We were product of the day on Product Hunt very recently and are being used by top companies globally. And we are here and we would love for you to actually use our platform for free. You can get started for free today. Thank you.
Hey guys, we are Millis AI. We are a platform for developers to create voice agents with super low latencies of 600 milliseconds. One of the fastest on the market. Our agents can understand human intent, handle conversational flow like humans. It can remember past conversations and take action using API. It's multilingual. It can speak more than 80 languages. You can deploy everywhere from phone numbers to web to wearable device. Come check it out.
I'm Ben with Develop Health. We use LLMs to automate healthcare insurance processes to make sure every patient can get their essential medications. So since launching over a year, just about a year ago, we've already helped over 75,000 patients and hit 600K ARR. And we are committed to helping every patient in this country get the meds they need when they need it. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. We're AI 21 Labs. The problem is generative AI use cases that are complex but high ROI aren't going into production because of lack of vendor capability. And the solution is a highly intelligent agent development platform with purpose-built planner technology and execution engine that simulates a customer environment, gives you an editable plan before executing it. That's what we're building at AI 21. We also build super high context, super long context LLMs with high throughput and low latency. Thank you.
Hi, so we're building Andy. Andy is AI search for the next generation. We started working on this problem in 2021 and realized that accuracy is everything. It's what builds trust and it's what keeps users coming back. So in an independent study by Talc, an AI benchmarking company, Andy scored 87% accuracy, beating giants like Google with 71% and ChatGPT with 62%. We're backed by Y Combinator. We have 300K monthly active users, and we're just over there. So come and see us.
Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here to demo Micro One. We built an AI recruiter to help companies source, vet, and hire global talent. We've also used it internally to build a talent pool of 3,000 software engineers, developers, and designers that you can hire for your core team. So come check us out.
Hey everybody, my name is Craig DeWitt. I'm the founder of Skyfire. We are Visa for AI agents. What does that mean? We allow agents to hold balances, to pay for services, and to monetize themselves, all in an open fashion. Today, agents are paying for API access on demand, they're paying for data on a per-use basis, and they're paying other agents to complete tasks, like Micro One. We're foundational to a multi-agent collaboration process where they're able to pay using Skyfire. If you are selling software or you're a SaaS business, your next million customers are not going to be humans. They're going to be AI agents, and they're going to pay you with Skyfire.
So that brings us to the next important bit. We have some great research we want to show you. So my background, I was a Forrester industry analyst. I would chart markets and forecast. Then I started a firm called Altimeter Group where I did the same thing. I had an exit, became an angel investor, and now I'm a GP at Blitzscaling Ventures, founded by Chris Ye, who wrote the book Blitzscaling with Reid Hoffman, our advisor and LP. Now, we have charted the agent space. I'm gonna take you on a tour really quick. And you guys got the links. It's on my LinkedIn, my blog, and Twitter. But essentially, the AI agent space is the hot category. The foundational model, that's Sept. There's like 10 players, and you need 500 million to enter that market. So the AI agents are on 4 different layers. At the bottom layer is the data layer. They're accessing exclusive private data. As you know, 80% of the world's data is behind a firewall. So there's also a number of startups that are accessing the public data. There's some that are scraping data. There's new browsers that go through your logged in website. Like I talked to Dendrite, they did that. The next layer is the management layer. Have you heard of the term KYC, know your customer? There's a new term which I heard from the team that just spoke right now, Skyfire, is know your agent, where we're gonna see a new form of verification where the agent represents the human. It could be permutations, it could be an abstraction of your identity. It could admit that you're a high net worth and have a lot of money living in a certain zip code, but not actually tell you who that human is. So the agents are going to be the buyers for us. And also on the management side, there's observability, there's orchestration, there's payment layers. There's a number of startups moving this space. We're placing bets. The next layer up is the application layer. Most of the startups are going to be there in the left-hand category. Those are vertical specific. For example, Sonic Jobs is a vertical specific AI agent that does that. And then on the right-hand side is the AI agent platforms. So we invested in Multion, which is the leader in the consumer space. They compete with Adept. And there's a number on the enterprise space. You'll meet them at the next Llama Lounge, October 10th, hosted at SAP. Domi, raise your hand. She's going to be our host. And at the top level is we have marketplaces. So expect every single big tech company is going to launch an agent marketplace. And every single one of these foundational models, like we saw that underpinnings of GPT, which didn't really work, but you can see that's going to be a marketplace of agents. So that's the ecosystem in a nutshell. Now let me tell you what this means. We have 2 theses. Chris and I worked on this. The first thesis is this: the internet's going to be completely disrupted. The AI agents are going to go to the internet on your behalf and get the information that you want and fulfill those tasks and log into those websites and make those purchases. And the humans don't have to go to the websites. The second thesis is this: the information will be reassembled in the way that you want, multimodal. So how many apps do you really need? One. The internet is going to be completely unraveled and reassembled because of the next wave, AI agents. Chris and I will be up here. We want to talk to you. We can brainstorm. We can pick it apart. But that's really what it is. All right. So that was the presentation part. Now we're going to try something crazy. Eric, do you think we can do this? Yes. Eric is the official Llama Lounge photographer. Direct us, sir. Eric? All right, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make some noise. All right, that's Eric D, everybody. Thank you for coming to Llama Lounge.